Most men today don't feel like men anymore. Low energy, no drive, no confidence, and they think it's normal. But what if I told you there's one thing silently destroying all of it? Now listen carefully. Testosterone is not just about muscles or the gym. It controls your energy, your mood, your focus, even how confident you feel when you walk into a room. So when your testosterone drops, your entire system starts slowing down. And the worst part, most guys don't even realize it's happening. So first, how do you know if your testosterone is low? Sign number one, stubborn belly fat and chest fat. You can diet, you can do cardio, but that fat just doesn't go away. That's not just a calorie problem, that's a hormone problem because body fat increases estrogen, which lowers testosterone. And now you're stuck in a cycle, more fat, lower testosterone, even more fat. Sign number two, you feel weak and tired all the time. Even small tasks feel exhausting. You wake up tired, go through the day tired, and sleep still tired. That's not laziness. That's poor recovery. And low testosterone is a big reason behind it. Sign number three, no morning wood. This is one of the most honest signals your body gives you. Testosterone peaks in the morning. So if that signal disappears, something is off internally. If you have even two out of these three signs, you need to fix this. Now, the question is, why is this happening to so many men today? Simple. Modern lifestyle. You sit all day. You don't move enough. You sleep late. You scroll your phone for hours. And your body slowly adapts to a weaker version of you. No challenge. No stress on the body. No reason to stay strong. And your hormones follow that lifestyle. Now, let's fix it. Simple. Practical. No bullshit. First, train your body, not lightly, intensely. Lifting weights, sprinting, pushing yourself to your limit. Your body responds to stress. The harder you train, the stronger it adapts. Even 3 to 4 workouts per week can change everything. Second, sleep. This is where most people fail. You cannot build a strong body and with weak sleep. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep. So if you're sleeping 5 to 6 hours, you're limiting your own potential. 7 to 8 hours minimum. No excuses. Third, nutrition. Your body needs raw materials to produce hormones. Focus on protein, healthy fats, and minerals. Simple foods work best. Eggs, nuts, oats. Keep it basic and consistent. And finally, cut the habits that make you weaker. Late nights, constant scrolling, zero discipline. You can't build a strong life with weak habits. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Your body reflects your lifestyle. If you live soft, you become soft. If you live disciplined, you become powerful. So fix your habits, fix your body, and everything else will follow. If you want to improve your looks, your confidence, and your discipline, subscribe to the channel.